Right, so what you need to do is take a piece of paper, fold it in half, like this. Then put a nice crease there, and flip it around to this way so that it opens like that. Now you need to fold it in half like this. Do a nice crease there, then open it back up like that. Put it this way. Now you need to take this corner and fold it into the crease in the middle. Let's make a nice crease there as well. And do the same with the other side. Into the middle. Do a big crease there. Now we need to fold this over here as far as it will go. Big crease there. So it looks like this. Then we turn it over and do the same. Now that we've got it looking like this, we need to look at it so that it looks like this. And we need to open it so that it turns into a diamond like this. As you'll notice, these things are a bit sticking out. So what you need to do is you take the right hand and put it under the left hand side so it looks like this. Now you do the same to the other side. So both look like this. Now what you need to do, make sure this opening bit here is at the bottom. I need to fold this up to the top like this. Give it a nice crease. Now flip it over and do the same with the other side. Big crease there. Now it should look like this. Now we open this again so that it's like this. Give it some nice crease around the edges. And you should notice that there's like a split here. You need to grab both these sides and pull outwards. Then you should have a nice boat. Fold it back in on itself here. There, a nice boat.